In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax information on KDP in this KDP tutorial for beginners. Whether you're just starting out with Kindle Direct Publishing or need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in to ensure your publishing experience is smooth and hassle-free. To start, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Account, which is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Tax Information. This is a crucial step because without properly completing this section, any revenue you make from your book sales can't be processed correctly. So taking a couple of minutes to handle this now will save you potential headaches later on. After accessing the tax information page, you'll see an option to complete tax interview. Go ahead and click on this. The tax interview is essentially Amazon's way of collecting the necessary tax details from you. It's designed to be straightforward and easy to follow, so don't worry if you aren't a tax professional. Each prompt will guide you through what you need to input. Next, you'll need to enter your tax ID details. This step is about filling in your information accurately. You might need your Social Security number if you're an individual in the U.S., or your employer identification number if you're a business. For those residing outside the U.S., ensure you have your taxpayer identification number handy. It's important to double-check this information before proceeding. Errors here could result in incorrect tax reporting, which is definitely something to avoid. Once you've filled out your details, it's time to review everything to ensure there are no mistakes. Take a moment to go through all the information you've entered. A final review helps catch anything you might have missed or entered incorrectly. When you're satisfied everything is accurate and complete, move on to the next step, which is saving and submitting the interview. Go ahead and click on the Save and Submit button. This action finalizes the process, sending your information to Amazon's KDP system. Once submitted, you'll typically receive a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox. It's a good idea to save this email for your records, as it confirms that your tax information is updated and in place. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide on how to add your tax information on KDP. Remember, keeping your tax information up to date is vital for smooth payment processing, so don't skip this task. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.